Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return online. First, select a reputable online tax software or use your government's official e-filing portal. Make sure your internet connection is stable and you are using a secure computer or device to protect your personal information. Online filing offers several advantages, including quicker processing times and direct deposit of any refunds, often within 21 days. It's a convenient and efficient way to manage your tax obligations. Before you begin, gather all necessary documents to ensure accuracy. This includes all income statements, such as your W-2 forms from employers or 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for any deductions or credits you plan to claim, like mortgage interest statements or student loan interest forms. Also, have your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number readily available, as it's crucial for identification. Once you've chosen your software, you'll start by entering your personal details, ensuring everything is accurate. Next, input all your income information from your W-2 and 1099 forms into the corresponding sections. The software will guide you through this process. Then, meticulously add any deductions or credits you qualify for. These can significantly lower your tax liability. Take your time to review each section thoroughly. The final step is critical. Carefully review your entire tax return for any potential errors or missing information. Many software programs offer a final check feature to help you. Once confident, you will electronically sign your return, often using a 5-digit personal identification number or your prior year's adjusted gross income. After submission, confirm that your return was successfully received, and remember to save a digital or printed copy for your personal records for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.